In this video, you'll learn how to find your Binance wallet address for any crypto key. This process is essential for ensuring that you can receive funds securely and accurately. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign into your account using your registered email and password. After logging in, locate the wallet option in the main menu at the top of the page. Click on Wallet to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Fiat and Spot to access your wallet section. Next, within the wallet section, look for the deposit button. Clicking this will direct you to a new screen where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. A drop-down menu will appear listing various cryptocurrencies. Choose the specific coin you are interested in, as this will determine the wallet address you need to use. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency, it is crucial to ensure that you select the correct network associated with that coin. This selection is typically found just below the cryptocurrency choice. Make sure it matches the network from which the sender will be transferring funds. After confirming the network, the wallet address will be displayed on the screen. At this point, take note of the generated wallet address. It is important to confirm that the network matches the one that the sender is using to avoid any potential loss of funds. Carefully copy the address using the copy button provided or by highlighting the text and using the keyboard shortcut. Store this address securely in a password manager or a safe location to prevent any accidental loss. Before proceeding with any transactions, double-check the copied wallet address to ensure its accuracy. If you wish, conduct a small test transfer to verify that the address functions correctly. After the transfer, monitor the deposit status in your Binance account to confirm that the funds have arrived. Keep a record of the transaction for your records, and if any issues arise, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.